Hello, welcome to my channel. We're going to be making jar lid openers today. So today we're going to need 2 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 of any material fabric, and then 1 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 no slip material, and then a magnet. So I've already had mine cut out. Now we're going to place them face the grip and then the other face down. So the grip will be in the middle and the correct face is facing on the inside. Alright, now I'm going to sew all the way around and leave about 1.5 or 2 inch gap, and so you can flip it inside out. So now I have sewed all the way around the outside, leaving about that 1.5 inch gap I was talking about, so you can flip it inside out. And I have my magnet. Alright, oh, and I cut the corners so that you can have sharp edges when you flip it inside out. Be sure not to cut any of your string or anything, any of your sewing. Alright, now give me a second and I'll flip it inside out. Okay, and so when you are flipping it inside out, be sure to really, it's really hard to do it with one hand, hold on, really poke these corners out. So that they look nice. Alright. I got it like this. Here's my opening. When I am about to sew, I'm going to sew all the way around the outside again. But before I start sewing, I need to put my magnet into it. So there's that opening again. And when you put it in here, be sure to put it in between the two pieces of fabric, not the slicky material. Alright, I put it in. And now, when you're sewing, you got to be careful not to run over that magnet. You just tuck the side in right here where that opening is so that it'll look flush and nice. You can pin it if you'd like. And now I'm going to sew all the way around the edge. Okay, I've sewed all the way around the edge, and the magnet is still in there. No, I haven't sewed over it. Now, I'm going to put right here in the middle, I'm going to put an X. Be sure again not to hit your magnet. And the X is just going to make sure that your fabric holds still better and you have better grip when you open your lids. Alright, so give me a second. Okay, as you see, I got the X sewed down the middle, and it is ready to open a jar. The magnet's in there. That's just a little extra something when you're opening the jar. You can use any material. I've noticed the flannel does make it a little thicker and kind of looks nicer. But any material does work, and I hope you enjoy. This is my first video, so thanks for sticking with me. Alright? And this was Stardust. Peace out.